It's important to us to invest in our staff, to enable them to achieve their own ambitions. So we paired up with Acorn back in 2009. They've helped us put through about 70% of our staff have now achieved their NVQ with them. It allows us to help demonstrate competency and to achieve our own regulatory objectives with CII.
It allows the company, through the staff, to meet customers' needs and understand customers' needs and understand the products and what they're doing better, which I think then has a knock-on effect with competitiveness then. You know, if you've got your frontline staff who are all qualified, I think it just gives you that little bit of a competitive edge that way.
We monitor customer satisfaction daily. Our scores are now industry leading, and throughout the last 5 years working with Acorn, those scores have continued to improve, and we believe that a qualified colleague will be able to give better advice to our customers, which will in turn aid retention and help new business.